Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute collections in Credit Karma. So the process is easy to do, just follow the step-by-step guide and you will be able to do it. So the first thing you need to do is open up Credit Karma website, or you can also open up Credit Karma app and then log in your account. From your dashboard, simply navigate to the credit report section. So Credit Karma provide access to your reports from TransUnion and Equifax. After this, in your credit report, scroll down to a section called collections or navigate to the accounts to find the account you want to dispute. Click on the collections amount in question to open the account details. Look for options that says something like a dispute this account or dispute option. So once you click on that, Credit Karma may redirect you to TransUnion or Equifax website to fill or file the dispute form directly. After this, follow the instruction on Credit Bureau website to complete the dispute. You will be asked to provide reasons for dispute such as incorrect information or fraudulent activities, supporting documents like payment receipts or amount closure statement. They can be very helpful, so if you provide them. After this, both TransUnion and Equifax typically provide a tracking feature where you can monitor the progress of your dispute. So this process usually take 30 days. So that's how you can find dispute collections in Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.